personal allowance, an important concept in UK taxation. Hello everyone, I'm Owais Mirchawala, tutor for advanced taxation, UK variant. In today's short video, we'll be having a discussion on an interesting concept which is planning of personal allowance. As you all know that in UK tax, personal allowance is £12,570. It is the amount which gets exempted from our income. No tax is charged on this amount. Now normally we use this personal allowance in this sequence. First we adjust it against our non-saving income because it has highest tax rates with no 0% bands. Then we move towards saving income which has same tax rates as non-saving income but it has 0% bands in it. And then at last we move towards dividend income. Basically the total personal allowance is 12,570. First we hit the non-saving income to get maximum tax saving. But if we don't have sufficient non-saving income, we move towards saving and then we move towards dividend income. Now this is the planning, the usage sequence which all of you already know. But in today's video, we'll be doing an interesting planning of the personal allowance where we'll be doing some partial claim also. Let's look at this example, look at it carefully. For example, if we have 4,000 in non-saving head, 7,000 in saving head and 25,000 in dividend head. We will offset the personal allowance against non-saving income first. But since our personal allowance is 12,570 and our non-saving income is just 4,000, so we can adjust 4,000 here and then we'll move towards saving income. Now look at it carefully. I have only adjusted 1,000 in saving income and then I move towards dividend income. Now there are two questions. Sir, is the partial claim allowed? Number one. And number two, why did you claim partial? The first answer is that yes, personal allowance can be claimed partially against the income heads. It is up to you to do your planning. Now, why did I make the partial claim? Look at it carefully. When my non-saving income has fallen to zero, in saving income, I will get a £5,000 0% band. When something is already at 0% rate, why to waste personal allowance against it? Think about it. Non-saving income is zero, so in saving income, you will get a £5,000 0% band. Second, you are a basic rate taxpayer in total. Your taxable income is below 37,700. So you will get one more 0% band of £1,000. So £5,000 0% band plus £1,000 0% band, which means £6,000 will already be taxed at 0%. So if something is already being taxed at 0%, why use personal allowance against it? It will be like killing a dead person. If something is already at 0%, we shouldn't be wasting the personal allowance against it. So 7,000 was the income. I just claimed 1,000 against saving income and left 6,000 as taxable because it will be taxed at 0%. Remaining personal allowance 4,000 plus 1,000. 5,000 is used. Your total personal allowance is 12,570. Remaining will be adjusted against dividend income because in dividend, taxable income will have some tax. In dividend, 2,000 will be taxed at 0% and rest of it will have a tax rate of basic rate band. Okay? Now, so the normal usage sequence is non-saving, saving and dividend. Okay? This sequence is decided based on the tax rates. Non-saving income has highest tax rates, so let's offset it first so that we can get greatest saving. Then we go for saving and then we go for dividend which has lowest tax rates. Do consider 0% band of saving income. Don't kill a dead person. If any amount is already at 0%, don't waste personal allowance against it. Okay? Partial claims are allowed, which means it is not necessary to offset entire 7,000. You can do partial claims. Okay? One last important thing, personal allowance cannot be carried forward, which means that you have to use it in current fiscal year. I hope that you people have understood this concept. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos relating to UK taxation. Thank you everyone.